Jordan Mackey's Buy 9 to 5 Inches course on setting up YouTube channels gives an enormous amount of practical information in perfect order. There is nothing left out. You just follow instructions point by point, and there is no way to go wrong. Also, it is priced much lower than other courses which don't teach as much. The guys in the Facebook group are very helpful, as is Jordan himself, so you're never at a loss to ask a question. It's a really great course and a wonderful group of people. This course is simply excellent and is the best YouTube course right now, hands down. A step-by-step guide to producing videos, channels and thumbnails plus more that help to encourage huge amount of views and of course revenue. As long as you follow the simple steps in this course, you will not fail to produce income. Nothing is left behind and all strategies are current and updated. Whatever your income goal is, you can achieve it with this course. This course was very detailed. The modules were not too long or not too short. All of the methods are easy to use right immediately. He provided multiple alternatives to achieve one's goal. This is one of the best courses I've purchased. Straight to the point and simple to understand. I am now on the path to financial freedom from this one stream of income. This course is amazing. It's a very affordable price and has taught me everything I need to know about being successful on YouTube. I currently got 3 monetized channels. One of them is making me $3,000 a month and the others I just started working on to increase my income. I give this course 5 stars because I've made 10x more money than I spent buying the course. It really works. A great course that explains many of the tricky details related to YouTube video creation, promotion, optimization, monetization and outsourcing. Excellent course, I love the content, everything is explained clearly, good job.